Your search for a comfy and convenient student home in a peaceful neighbourhood ends at 3737 Orpwood Street, Pittsburgh. Your elegant new non-ensuite comes with a stylish bathroom for refreshing showers and relaxing baths, a cosy bed to melt away the exhaustion of the day, and an ideal study nook for focused sessions. Breeze through heaps of laundry with the on-site washer and dryer. Whatever the weather, the heater and air conditioning keep you comfortable always. Your pets can also enjoy this property along with you. There's parking, so your vehicles have a home and a garden for rejuvenating strolls. Ride to class in style and super quick with Carlow University and the University of Pittsburgh. Just a short drive away, hop on a bus from 2nd Avenue plus Bates FS bus stops, just a stroll away and explore the city easily. So get ready to elevate your uni life in Pittsburgh. Grab your spot at 3737 Orpwood Street, Pittsburgh today with amberstudent.com.